Hi, I'm Danielle with WTI. One thing I appreciate about this HTVRONT vinyl is that it cuts so easily. I use the matte vinyl setting on my machine, and even with the smaller pieces or more intricate designs of my project, it was able to cut each piece completely. And because it cut so well, it weeded like a dream, which if you're a crafter, you know, this can make or break your project. Nothing was stuck together, or there weren't any pieces that were picking up that shouldn't have. Another thing that I appreciate is that it's a true matte black. Sometimes you can get a matte finish and it still has kind of a sheen to it, but that wasn't the case with these at all. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a glossy vinyl compared to this matte one, and you can see that it's a true matte, which is exactly what I needed for my project. Side note, it comes with transfer sheets, 2 of them actually, and they also work pretty great, so you get a complete package with everything that you need. When it comes to matte vinyl, this is my top pick, and that's my point of view.